You might be wondering, what is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is an incredible human intelligence development, a language model that processes and understands human language data and responds with human-like dialogues. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is a cutting-edge, deeper learning system that has been tested on huge volumes of text data, allowing it to generate relevant answers to nearly any query or conversation. But OpenAI introduced us to its new version, ChatGPT 4. The main difference between the two is the level of innovation and enhancement in the AI language model's natural language processing capabilities. One of the most significant differences between ChatGPT 4 and previous versions is its ability to provide more precise and contextually relevant answers to user inputs. This means that the new version is better able to understand the intent behind a user's message and respond in a more appropriate and relevant manner. Another significant improvement in ChatGPT 4's accuracy is its capacity to recognize and handle more complicated and nuanced linguistic patterns. This means that it can understand and respond to sarcasm, irony, and other forms of figurative language more effectively. It can also recognize and manage various meanings and ambiguities in language, producing a response that considers all possible readings of a message. ChatGPT 4 is more accurate, but it is also better at delivering contextually meaningful responses. This means that while generating a response, the AI can consider the broader context of the conversation as well as the user's past messages. For example, if a user asks a follow-up question about a previous topic of conversation, it can deliver a response that expands on that earlier discussion, making the conversation feel more natural and engaging. ChatGPT 4 also has increased language processing capabilities, which include sophisticated natural language synthesis, stronger sentiment analysis, and improved knowledge retrieval. These changes allow it to better grasp and interpret human language nuances, resulting in more accurate and effective responses. Suppose a user interacts with ChatGPT and asks a question like, "What's the best pizza place in town?" With advanced natural language generation, it can generate a response that is more coherent and engaging, such as, "Based on customer reviews, Joe's Pizza is a popular choice for the best pizza in town. Have you tried it before?" Another significant improvement in ChatGPT is its improved sentiment analysis capabilities. The practice of determining the emotional tone or sentiment behind a piece of text is known as sentiment analysis. The expanded sentiment analysis capabilities of the new version allow the AI to more precisely discern the emotional tone of a user's communication, allowing it to provide a more appropriate and empathic response. This can result in more effective communication between the AI and the user, as well as a more positive overall user experience. Better knowledge retrieval is another significant improvement in ChatGPT. It can better understand the user's queries and deliver more accurate and relevant responses because it has access to a broad and diversified range of information. ChatGPT is better at finding and retrieving relevant information, which can assist in answering users' more complicated and specialized questions. As users interact with this version, the AI can learn from their actions and preferences. For example, it can learn which responses are most efficient in addressing a specific sort of query or which language is more interesting for the user. Based on this knowledge, ChatGPT 4 can tailor its responses to better match the demands of the user. It can change its responses to reflect the user's preferences and previous interactions as the AI learns more about the user over time. This can result in more personalized and engaging dialogues since the AI can tailor its responses to the user's specific wants and preferences. To comprehend the significance of a larger and more diversified dataset in training ChatGPT, it is necessary to first comprehend how machine learning works. An AI is taught using a collection of examples via machine learning. and it learns to recognize patterns in the data to make predictions or generate outputs. The dataset used to train an AI is critical since it dictates what kinds of patterns and examples the AI will be exposed to. A larger and more diversified dataset can help expose the AI to a broader range of language patterns and nuances, resulting in a more in-depth knowledge of the language. In the instance of ChatGPT-4, the AI was trained on a far larger and more diverse dataset than earlier versions. This contains information from a variety of sources, including books, articles, social media posts, and other internet stuff. Furthermore, the collection contains data from many languages and cultures, exposing the AI to a greater range of language patterns and nuances. It is better able to detect and generate natural language with access to a larger and more diversified dataset, resulting in more accurate and engaging chats with users. Whenever a user poses a question in slang or colloquial English, ChatGPT-4 is more likely to understand the intended meaning and respond appropriately. ChatGPT-4 is regarded as one of the most advanced AI language models currently available, with various distinguishing features that set it apart from other AI operating systems. It is taught to be superior to other AI systems because of its more accurate and contextually appropriate responses, greater language processing capabilities, tailored interactions, larger and more diversified dataset, and cutting-edge technology. The capacity of the GPT 3.5 architecture to fine-tune and adapt to certain activities or domains is another essential aspect. ChatGPT-4 can then specialize in areas of expertise such as finance, healthcare, or customer service. It can provide more accurate and relevant responses to user inputs by fine-tuning the AI's training on specific datasets. Advanced strategies for dealing with context in ambiguity in language are also included in the GPT 3.5 design. This enables this version to better analyze and interpret user inputs, even if they are unclear or lack context. It may generate more natural and engaging interactions with users by adding contextual information to its responses. ChatGPT-4 can process and generate natural language with greater accuracy and speed than previous versions due to larger and more powerful neural networks, fine-tuning capabilities, and advanced techniques for dealing with context and ambiguity. It is one of the most advanced AI language models currently available. Overall, ChatGPT is a more powerful and effective AI operating system than many other systems now on the market. While there are several AI language models on the market, it stands out as a top AI language model due to its combination of advanced language processing capabilities, tailored interaction, and cutting-edge technology. The larger dataset can also help to improve ChatGPT-4's overall performance and reliability. This is due to the fact that a larger dataset can assist lessen the danger of overfitting, which occurs when an AI becomes overly focused on specific patterns in the training data and is unable to generalize to new inputs. It is evident that this technology has the ability to alter the way we connect with our surroundings. ChatGPT-4's ability to interpret and understand natural language inputs is transforming the way we handle some of the most difficult concerns of our time, from customer service to education and healthcare to research. But as with any strong technology, ChatGPT-4 should be handled with care and responsibility. We may endeavor to ensure that it is used in a way that benefits society as a whole by knowing its potential and limitations. Moreover, as ChatGPT-4 evolves and improves, it's intriguing to imagine the new possibilities it may open up in the coming years. So, whether you're a researcher, a businessman, a student, or simply someone who is intrigued by the possibilities of artificial intelligence, we hope that this video has provided you with a better idea of what ChatGPT-4 is and what it can achieve. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing how far this technology takes us in the future.